Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate you tuning into this cash stuffing. This cash stuffing is going to be for the first pay period in November. The pay periods fell really weird, so the last one was October 31st actually. That's why this seems so late, but it is in fact the first cash stuffing for the month of November. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in to see what my channel is all about. And if you are a returning viewer, as always, I appreciate your continued support. So let's jump in with the cash stuffing, and I'm going to be doing my wallet first. I do have my cash planning sheets over to the side, so that's what I'll be looking at while I'm doing this. And let's just get a quick count on how much I'm going to be stuffing. Okay, so I'm going to be stuffing a total of $950, and let's jump right in. Okay, first is my weekly spending, and for my weekly spending, it stays pretty much the same every week. I'm going to be stuffing my lunch, which is going to be $50, and that's going to be 2 20s and 2 5s. So it's 2 20s and 2 5s. And then my dining out, which is going to be 25, that's going to be 1 20 and 1 5. Spending is going to be 25, which is going to be a 20 and a 5. My grocery is going to be $60, which is going to be 3 20s. 20, 40, 60 for grocery this week. You hear the motorcycle outside. It's so loud, but it's really nice being able to film during the day. The glare from the light sometimes that I have to use, because usually I film at night, gets in the way, but this is really nice. I love this. Okay, household is going to get 25. So it's going to be a 20 and a 5 for household. Gas is going to get 40, which is going to be 2 20s. And then miscellaneous is not getting anything this week, nothing to the bank, and nothing to stuff for the business in my wallet this week. Not going to be doing any business shopping. So what I will do is, if I am going to be out and shopping for the business, I'll take it out of my my business binder and I'll stick it in my wallet so that I have it with me. But that is going to be it for the wallet this week. So I will set this to the side. And usually what I do, if you follow me, is I get paid bi-weekly. So I will stuff for the first week in my wallet, and then I'll stuff for the second week in this binder. Nope, not this binder. Wrong one. I'll stuff for the week in this binder. But next week is actually going to be the holiday week. So my spending next week will mainly be for getting ready for Thanksgiving, which I'm going to take out of the holiday folder, and I won't have most of these normal expenses. So that's why I'm not stuffing my weekly spending for next week in here, because next week with the holiday week is going to be a bit different. All right, next I am going to get into my family binder, and my family binder took a beating. We started birthday season in the family, so I've had several birthdays, nieces, nephews, children, one coming up. So We will be starting over some of these envelopes, and each of the family envelopes are going to get their normal 30, which will be a 20 and a 10 for each. So the boys are going to get their 30. And I started doing something a little bit different. I'm keeping the trackers separate instead of in the envelope. So with the stuffing, after I finish, I'll go through, update my trackers, but less abuse, less wear and tear in the envelopes, the less that you keep in them. So I'm just keeping the cash in them. The princess is going to get her 30. And she does have a little bit left in her envelope. Let's see what she's got. She's got 11 in there, so she has a total of 41 in her envelope. The baby is going to get his 30, and he's got 200 in the bank, and he's going to get 30 added to that. I took out of here to buy his walker, which it was about $130, I believe, but it's, of course, the deluxe model, and I am told that he is really enjoying it. The parents are going to get their 30, so let's see, 20, 30, so that will give them, let's see, 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 12, 122 in the parents' envelope. And my dad just had a birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. I did call him. I don't think he watches this, but my mom watches my videos, I know. The family is going to get 30. So this one I had to take out and actually put more with it because I had 2 nieces and a nephew that all had a birthday in the last month. Holidays is going to get 50. So holidays has 100 in the bank, 50, 60. So 160 in the holidays. And then holiday meals, which I am going to be unstuffing next week to add to my normal grocery money. It has 50 in it, so I'm not stuffing it this week because I'm going to be taking this out to do my Thanksgiving shopping. And then in the back portion of this binder, I have my self-care section. And in my self-care section, beauty is going to be getting 25. And the clothing is going to be getting 25. Now, these are envelopes that I spend out of all the time. And I set this aside to mainly understand what I'm spending on personal things. I budget for spending control is what I budget for mainly. And these envelopes, as I need things, I take out of them, if that makes sense. So clothing is going to have 20, 40, 55, 60. Hair is not getting stuffed this week. Health is getting $10. So health will have 60. Nails is going to get 25. And if you follow me, you know that I have been doing my own nails for, I think it's been over a year now. But I do like to occasionally go for a pedicure. So that's what I stay for in here. So that will have 25. And I may go next weekend, actually. Personal is going to get 20. So then personal will have 20, 40, 5, 6, 7. And personal is, think of personal as toiletry. So toothpaste, body wash, dental floss, deodorant, things like that is what I take out of personal. Shoes is a new envelope. I have not started stuffing this envelope yet, and I'm not stuffing it this week. And then treat yourself is going to get, where is it? Treat yourself, which used to be Treat Yourself used to be, what did it used to be? It used to be my Indulge envelope, and I am setting up for a spa day in this one. I'm trying to see what it's going to get. So it looks like it's going to get 20. So Treat Yourself will have, no, Treat Yourself was my self-care envelope. That's what it was. And I am saving up for a spa day. So far I have 50, 70, 95 in Treat Yourself. It's been a while since I did this, guys, so stick with me. If you saw my savings challenge video last weekend, I did take some time off from filming out of necessity, really, because I was just working a ton, and it's budgeting season at my job, so I had to put my own budgeting activities on pause for a bit. It's really hectic during budgeting season, but we have just about finalized everything, so I'm happy to be jumping back into my budgeting. And speaking of which, in budgeting, I am going to be budgeting $15 for budgeting, and this is for any types of budgeting supplies. Happy Mail that I buy, I'll take out of here. And so budgeting has 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 42 in budgeting. My crafting, mainly, which I use for my scrapbooking, is going to get 15 this week, and that will be all that has. Hopefully I can get back around to finding some time for my scrapbooking as well. That's been on hold for a while. Decor is going to get 15, so a 10 and a 5. So decor will have, let's see, 20, 30, 45. And I'm doing the same with this. I have all my trackers in here in the side pocket, so I keep track of everything in these envelopes still, but I just do it separately. All right, entertainment is going to get 25. So it's going to be a 20 and a 5. So entertainment will have, it's got 100 in the bank and 20, 45, 50 in cash. So 150. Indulge is getting a 25. So Indulge 20 and a 5 will have 50, 70, 91, 5, 10, 11, 111. And I had mentioned in my savings challenge video, but I do want to mention it here. I am going to be doing a 700 subscriber giveaway. I hit 700 subscribers back in October, right before I went on the break. And I'm doing something a little unique this time. I am going to be giving out 6 packs of savings challenges, and there are going to be multiple winners. I haven't decided how many yet. Most likely somewhere between 10 and 15. I have a pretty big inventory of savings challenges that I want to clear out, and I figured what a better way to do it than to do a giveaway in appreciation for my 700 subscribers. So you guys look out for the post. I'm going to make a post here on YouTube and put down what you need to do to enter the giveaway for those. But again, like I said, it's going to be like 10 to 15 winners of a 6-pack of savings challenges. All right, bucket list is getting 25. So bucket list will have, let's see, it's got 300 in the bank, and we'll have 20, 40, 60, 85. So 385 in bucket list. Travel is going to get 25. And travel and bucket list kind of run parallel. I usually stuff the same amount in each of them. So travel has 300 in the bank. This is for short-term travel, short trips, 20, 40, 60, 85. So 385 there. And that is going to do it for this section, my personal interest section. And I do have vacation teed up. I'm not going to start this until after the first of the year, but when I do, it will be in this binder. Okay, so next I need to go to my business binder. And in my business binder, I am going to start with equipment, and equipment is going to be getting 15, so a 10 and a 5. So equipment will have, let's get this in order. Equipment will have 50, 60, 75, 81. And I'm saving up because I think I want to buy another laminating machine. That would be really helpful when doing orders. I did have 2, and then one broke about 6 months ago. I have not replaced it yet, but I do really miss having 2 laminating machines. Packaging is not getting stuff this week. I'm good on packaging. P.O. Box is going to get 20. And so P.O. Box will have 30. It will be due again in February. So have some time to continue saving up for that. Postage is going to get 20, and this is for postage that is not for my Etsy shop. For my Etsy orders, I pay for postage right on Etsy. Since that's where the customers pay the postage, I just pay it right out of there. This is for postage outside of Etsy orders. So we have 40 in there. And then printing is going to get 15, and this is saving up for print cartridges. So that will have 50, 65. Printing will have 65. All right, subscriptions is not getting stuffed this week. Supplies is going to get 20, and I did replenish on supplies back in October, so restarting that one. Taxes, and this is for Etsy taxes, is going to get 65, so I have 300 in the bank, and to this I'm going to be adding 20, 40, 60, and 5. And then website is not getting anything this week. So that emptied my tray out, guys, and that's going to do it for the cash stuffing. Good to be back with you. Thanks again for following me. If you like this video, give it a like. If you are not subscribed, I would hope that you would consider subscribing. And as always, leave me comments down below. You know I love your comments. Watch for the giveaway post, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.